In this lecture, we're going to look at the tool Instant 3D. In the sketching chapter, we showed how to use a tool Instant 2D. And now we're going to show how to use a tool Instant 3D. So let's go to Features and let's go to Instant 3D. Let's click this tool. And now we can click here on this face. And now we can see all of our dimensions. So we use this tool when we want to have a quick modification of our solid feature. So for example, now we can just once click here on the 100 and you can change this dimension to 150 like this, or this on 150 and we can change this to 80 like this. And here we have this dimension, just one click. Let's go to 100. So this is the fast modification of our solid feature. As well, we can click here on this dot like this, and now we can see the ruler here. And now we can drag this up and down on the ruler. If we go with mouse on the ruler, now we can go millimeter by millimeter up and down. And now for example, if we want to go to 192, now we can see the arrow, green arrows here, and we can release mouse here. And now we have 182. As well, we can go with this dimension to this point here, and we can drag this point here along this ruler like this. Let's go to 110 and OK. As well, we can do this here. Drag this, let's go for example to 40 like this. So with Instant 3D you can make a really fast modification on your solid feature.